Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. So this video is for my fourth graders. It's going to focus on equivalent fractions and how to convert equivalent fractions. So a huge shout out to everybody tuning in, but especially all the fourth graders in the building. Now before I get into the video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment because it helps the algorithm. Alright, so I'm going to get into the video. Feel free to pause this video at any time if you want to copy down the steps and take some notes. Also, I would recommend rewatch the video a second time, a third time. Sometimes to really get a concept and really master a skill, you have to watch the video more than one time in order to do that. But here we go, 3/5. I got to figure out how to convert that to 15ths. What would 3/5 be equivalent to in 15ths? Now before I get into the converting of the fractions, I'm going to solve all the problems within the 5 fact family. Why? Why, Mr. Camilleri? Why are you multiplying? Why are you multiplying to, when this is a video on equivalent fractions? Because math builds on the previous skills learned, and there is a lot of multiplication. There's a lot of multiplication involved in converting equivalent fractions. A lot of multiplication involved. And if you've mastered your multiplication facts, it makes finding equivalent fractions a lot easier. If you haven't mastered your multiplication facts, that's okay too, but I would recommend using a multiplication chart. And solving these 11 problems will serve as the multiplication chart here. All right, 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 times 5 equals 30. 7 times 5, 35. 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. 10 times 5 is 50. All right. I'm going to bring that a little closer so y'all could see. All right. Now you're going to see why I needed to do that. Okay, so converting 3/5 to 15ths. First step, we have to figure out 5 times what equals 15. We got to figure out how much do we multiply 5 by to get 15. And this is where multiplication comes in. Looking at my fact families here, I see 1 times 5 equals 5, 2 times 5 equals 10, 3 times 5 equals 15. So the missing number here would be 3. I had to multiply 5 3 times to get to 15. Now, when we convert fractions, what we do to the denominator, we have to do the same thing to the numerator. So whatever we multiply the denominator by, we have to multiply the numerator by that same number. So since we multiplied the denominator by 3, we need to multiply the numerator by 3 also. So we need to multiply 3 times 3. So I'm going to multiply 3 times 3. We'll do that over here. Should have probably put out the 3 fact family also, but 3 times 3. I know what 3 times 3 is, but for those that don't, I'm going to do a little array. I'm going to make 3 rows of 3 and count my total. So I made 3 rows of 3. Now I got to count my total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So now going back Here the conversion, 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have now converted 3/5 to 15ths. 3/5 is equivalent to 9/15. Now all my subscribers, everybody tuning in, you know how we end the video. We end the video with some basketball. So I am going to end this video with 15 dunks. And 9 of those dunks are going to be off the backboard. All right. Let's play some basketball. I'm going to try that again. Let's play some basketball. Third time's the charm. Even though I dunked it, technically it wasn't off the backboard, it was below the backboard. Alright, here we go. That's 1. 2. Old and over the hill, but I still got the hops. 3. 4. 5. 6. I'm still at 6. That don't count. I didn't dunk that one. 7. 8. 'Last dunk off the backboard. I'm going to change it up a little bit. 9. 10. For this next one, throw down a couple of backward dunks. Here we go. Other way now. No more backboard dunks. Last 4 dunks, I'm going to do something different so I don't break the rim. Windmill. Between the legs. Wow, I messed that one up. Whew. I'm not even going to try to do no 360s. No 360s. No 360s. Just hang time. Just 2 more dunks to finish it. Last dunk of the day, off the bounce. That is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please leave a comment. Let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, if there is another skill in reading or in math that you're having difficulty with, write that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. This is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.